Hi, I need a gift for someone. A surprise gift to say thank you. Now I could have gone to the shops and a simple bottle of wine or some beers would have been perfectly acceptable. But that's not who I am. You see, I realised I needed to make the gift. I need to make it personal and special, something unique to them. And that led me to ask the question, why do I make things? Why do we, including you, create things? You see, I felt compelled to come into the workshop to make the gift, even though I have no idea what I'm going to make, just yet anyway. It's like some powerful force within me said,
Steve, make the gift, and make the YouTube video as well.
Welcome to Steve Bell Creates. This video is sponsored by PCB Way. The one thing I know is that we're all creative in one way or another. As children, we were so creative. We let our imaginations run wild with no boundaries or rules. We even had imaginary friends. Oh, sorry, he's a real friend. As humans, we've been creative for thousands of years, drawing pictures and symbols on our caves. And I'm pretty sure that Mr. Caveman, with his trusty Festool domino, would have knocked up a table and 4 chairs for the cave, no problem at all. So what's my creativity story? Why do I create? I believe there's a universally human urge to create within us all. I'm almost 64 now, and I've been creating for most of my life. I really hated school, and I didn't do well academically, but I had a fantastic imagination. That imagination has stayed with me all my life. I just need a way to express my creativity. I've been making things with wood since about the age of 13. At 13, my first workshop was in an old wash house with an old door and some old fence posts for a workbench and a few rusty old hand tools. I saved all my money to buy my first corded Black & Decker drill. Man, I love that drill. And even though I had the best imagination, I could never dreamed of the workshop I would have today. I could never have imagined having a shape of origin when I was 13 years old in my washhouse workshop, but it's now one of my favourite tools. If you don't have a CNC, then the sponsor of today's video, PCB Way, can be just what you need. PCB Way have a great, easy-to-use website. Not only are they known for their fast prototyping and making of PCBs, they also offer CNC machining, 3D printing, sheet metal fabrication, and injection moulding. You just need to upload your file and they will make it and deliver it to your door, all backed up with great customer service. Thanks PCB Way. And the more I think about it, I'm sure creativity is within us all. Be that art, writing, cooking, sewing, leather making, fashion designing, decorating, knitting, accounting, coding, telling stories, and yes, making YouTube videos. And to the people who'd say, I don't have a creative bone in my body, I'd say, did you dress yourself this morning? Have you ever cooked a meal? And do you sit on your sofa each evening? Then I'm sorry, but you are creative. You chose and put together an outfit you felt went well together. You put together some ingredients and created a meal. And yes, you sit in your sofa in a room that you chose the furniture, the flooring and the colours for the walls because you wanted to create a nice environment. We create for many reasons. It's for fun and relaxing. We enjoy it. We enjoy the challenge. Some of us want to leave our mark. Some of us want to express ourselves. Some of us want to leave a legacy. We make it for the attention and the likes. We love the feeling of making something with our own hands. Creativity has the power to motivate me, and then be the cruel mistress to make me doubt myself and my abilities. It can bring me a whole range of emotions, from joy, happiness, satisfaction, pride, but also anxiety, doubt, frustration, anger, and yes, hopelessness. You have to learn to embrace the F word. No, not that one. Failure. Striving for perfection is the killer of creativity. I feel creativity is part of me. It's something that I have to do, that I have to express. It's true, creativity can come and go, or just be blocked, and there are times when you need to work at it. But it's still there within us all. I believe it's best to embrace it, nurture it, and express it. Over the last 64 years, I've realised I'm at my best when I'm creating and making something. I'm a better person for it. I'm happier, calmer, and much more relaxed, even though what I've made may not be perfect. I've made it, and that's what's most important. I'd love to know why you are creative. Let me know your reasons in the comments below. Remember to always draw outside the lines and stay creative.